Questions. Find the values of A. Values of A. That means we can have more than one value of A for the points these being collinear. So you know that 3 points are said to be collinear when they lie on when the points, so let's say if I mark this A, B, and C. So these 3 points will be collinear if they lie on the same line. Now I can write down the coordinates here. The coordinate of A is given 2A, 2A. Coordinates of B is 3, 2A plus 1. And for C, it is 1, 0. Now, since they are collinear, we can say that the slope of AB, right, slope of AB should be equal to slope of BC, right? These slopes, say if I take M1 as the slope of this and M2 being the slope of this, then M1 should be equal to M2. Now, here we are going to apply this relation of finding the slope, which is M is equal to Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. So let's say if I find the slope of the first line, which is M1 here. So how do we get M1? M1 is equal to Y2. Y2 is this, right? Y2 minus Y1. So it's 2A plus 1 minus 2A over X2 minus X1. So which is 3 minus 2A. So we can see this get cancelled, 2A and 2A. And finally, we got the slope of M1 as 1 over 3 minus 2A. Now, next I'm going to get the slope of M2. The slope of M2 using the same formula. M2 is equal to Y2, 0 minus Y1. So it is minus 0 minus any number is minus of that number. So it's 0 minus this, right? Which is this. Or I can write 0 over X2 minus X1. So it is 1 minus 3. So we got M2 as, let's say, minus outside only. And this is 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. Yeah, so this get cancelled here. So we got this slope. Now, as I said here, that M1 is equal to M2. The reason was the two slopes are equal and we have to get the value of A. So let's replace M1 with its value. From here, I can say M1 is 1 over 3 minus 2A, and M2 from this, you can see that it is 2A plus 1 over 2. You got this relation. Now I'm doing cross multiplication. So clearly it is 2A plus 1 multiplied by 3 minus 2A is equal to 1 multiplied by 2. That is 2. I'll use distributive property. This is 6A minus 4A square plus 3 minus 2A is equal to 2. Now keeping 6A minus 2A is what? 4A minus 4A square plus 3 is equal to 2. So what I'm going to do now is to frame a quadratic equation in the standard form. So I can write in the all of them on the right hand side. So it's going to be positive 4A square, negative 4A. On transposing 3 to the other side, it is 2 minus 3, which is minus 1 is equal to 0. That cannot be factorized by middle term splitting. So we'll be factorizing by using quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b. Minus b in this case, it will be positive 4 minus b plus minus under root b square, that is 16 b square minus 4 into a being 4 and c being minus 1, that divided by 2 times a. So x we can say is further plus minus under root. This is 16 and this will, there is a minus, so it will become plus 16 over 8. Now what I can do further, yes, I can make space here. I can further write this as x is equal to, this is 4 plus minus under root 16 into 2, right? So I can take out 4 outside and write 2 over here, and that divided by 8. And finally, when we take 2 common, we'll get x is equal to, well, x is a here, right? So we shouldn't write x. Instead, we should write directly as a. So we are getting a here. Let's say we are getting a here. So finally, I can say a is equal to, by taking 4 common and reducing with this, I'll get 1 plus minus root 2 divided by 2. Right. So we'll get this as the value of a. So this is a, got a as this. That's what we have to find out in this question.